This is one of the biggest selling items for Valentine's Day. But what if I told you that you can actually sell this all year? And instead of this item taking you hours to make, you could automate the entire process. But these steps aren't only for this product. What I'm about to show you will work for anything you sell on Etsy, meaning less work on your end and more profit. Last week, I showed 5 products that you can start selling today, with one of the biggest sellers being men's boxers. There are currently over 3,000 searches for boxers right now, and it's not even Valentine's Day yet. And digging a little deeper with Everbeing, we could see companies like this one have generated over $400,000 in 4 years with this one item. But it's not by chance, because this company launched just 2 months ago and is already making upwards of $3,000 per month. And as I scroll through, you can see this over and over. Every company here is making money. Not to mention, only 2,500 people are actually selling this item, which means the competition is super slim. And thanks to this data, we know that this is a hot seller, even right now. But that's just the start, because both of these companies are going to explode in January and February. Just as I showed you in my last video with the breakdown of sales from the beginning of 2024. So this had many people asking, well, how do you make these? And how do I do it quickly? So in this video, I'm going to show you not only how easy it is to make it, but also how to automate the entire process. Plus, I'm going to explain how to bundle this with other items so you could double or even triple your revenue. So let's not waste any time and let's get into this. It's no surprise that personalized items are huge sellers on Etsy, and more suggestive images like this one yield higher profits. But with thousands of orders coming in each and every month, how can you make sure that you're not stuck behind a computer 24/7? And this is where automation comes in. I personally automate everything, or as much as I can. I would never be able to run multiple shops or even sit here and show you how to make money on Etsy if I had to sit behind a computer, which means that you need a program in order to automate things for you. Something that easily switches out the photos right before it's sent to production. But before we even get into that, you first need to learn how to remove the background of any image quickly. Without this, then there's no image. And if this takes you too long, then again, you're stuck behind a computer all day. Now, for anyone who deals with personalization beyond just text, then you know the customer usually just sends you a photo. And you request that photo, whether it be via email or over Etsy Messenger. Either way, you typically receive a photo that looks like this. There's going to be a background, and you are going to have to edit this. Now, what program you use is super important. And like many of you out there, you're probably using Canva or Kindle to remove that background, which is okay and does a decent job, but they're not the best. And in many cases, you're left with a lot more editing than you actually want. And like I said earlier, the name of the game is to save time, not waste it. So let me show you what Canva and Kindle look like after removing the background, and then I'm going to show you the program that I use. So the first one up here is Canva. Now, after removing the background, this is what it looks like. As you can see, chunks of the hair on the right side are completely gone. And not to mention, it's a little blurry. But what's really annoying is that you need a pro plan in order to use this feature at all. You can't even save this as a PNG file with a transparent background. You're stuck with a white background unless you upgrade, which is really unacceptable. Moving on, we're going to look at Kindle. Now, I love Kindle, and I use this a lot for designing. However, it does the same thing, although it is a little better than Canva, especially with the outline and the feathering of the hair. Not to mention, I'm actually able to save this as a PNG file with a transparent background. But here's the deal. If you're offering personalization, then you want the best possible outcome, which leads me to the program that I use, AI Arty. Now, you may have heard me talk about this program before. I first introduced this program in my upscaling video, which seriously slapped the crap out of Canva. The quality is truly unmatched. And just to show you real time how fast that this matting program is that they offer, I'm going to launch this right now for you. Now, once it's up, add the photo and click Start Matting. And within seconds, it's done. But that's not the great part. Scrolling this guide back and forth, you could see how well it took out that background. Even around the hair, it's defined almost every strand, which is insane. And exactly what you want from a matting program. You don't want to have to deal with editing after the fact like you would have to with Canva or Kittle. So this just saved you a ton of time. So I would suggest as soon as this video ends, run, don't walk to grab this program. There are a ton of features in this one and the other one. And if you want me to cover them in a future video, just drop a comment below and I'll make sure I do that. Okay, so now that we have the background removed, let's move on to automation. This is really your bread and butter right here. And this is what saves you a ton of time. Now, as many of you know, I use Printify to fulfill all of my POD orders. So I need software that connects to them seamlessly, which is why I use Anywhere POD. And if you've been following me for a while, then you know I use them for anything I personalize. Also, it's one of the recommended softwares from Printify, meaning you can connect to this and their system within seconds. It's just a click of one button. And because it automates the entire process for you, it makes fulfilling Printify orders just that much easier. Plus, if you ever want to bundle items, the steps to do so are 10 times faster than doing it on Etsy alone. Now, really quick, if you use code Etsy Mentor, you get 30 days free to try this software. Chris gave us this code about a year ago, and it still works today. So don't tell him. So jumping onto Anywhere POD, the first thing we're going to do is find the boxers. You go to Product Catalog, Bottoms, and then select this one, FYBY. This is one of the cheapest, and it ships from the US. Once the item's loaded, click Upload Artwork, and then select the picture that you want added. Now, obviously, this picture is going to be huge, and we have to adjust it. Or maybe this will be a new top seller, right? But for now, let's just make the pattern look like the other ones. So first, we're going to resize it. And then I'm going to move this right to the center. After we get the size we want, we're then going to click Create Pattern. We're going to adjust the pattern to where we want it and how we want it to look. And then we're set. Now, before you save it, make sure you click Personalized. This ensures that you can edit the image later quickly without the need to redo this process every time. Now we're going to create the product. From there, it's going to ask us to confirm the pattern on the front and the back and any other options available. Then we move on to launching the product. Now, to save time, I'm just going to leave this very simple. However, you can add multiple images, such as hearts or faces, anything you really want, even text. It's completely up to you and what you want to offer your consumers. And remember, you only have to do this part once, so you can take your time with this initial step. This is what allows you to automate everything and work efficiently. Now from here, you can update your entire Etsy listing. You can edit the title, the description, tags, variation, pricing, and even select different mockups. You can also add bundles as well, and when you're ready to push it to Etsy, click Create New Etsy Listing. The listing will automatically be created in Printify as well as Etsy. And all you have to do from there is go to your Etsy store, go to Drafts, and click Publish It. And you're set. Now you may be looking for the next step, but that's it. You did everything you need to set up this automation. It's seriously that simple. So let me explain how this all works and how to update the item when a consumer makes a purchase. First, the customer clicks buy and it processes like normal on Etsy. Then the customer will follow your instructions to send you their picture. From there, the order is actually routed to Anywhere POD and placed on hold. Now it may take an hour for it to appear, just to let you know. So while you're waiting for that order to appear, use AI Arty to remove the background. Then go into Anywhere POD, click on your orders, click Edit, and select the customer's picture, and it replaces it. Then save it and send it off to Printify. That's why this program is so important. It holds a placeholder of that original picture you set, So all you have to do is double click it and put the new file type, and it switches them out for you. Now, just a side note, this is why clicking that personalized option is so important in the beginning, because that's what actually allows you to switch that picture out. So if you missed that part, make sure you go back and check it. Now, once it's sent to Printify, you just log into your Printify account, and Anywhere POD already created a duplicate and sent it into your order queue. So all you have to do is just verify everything, make sure the address and all the info is correct, and click Send to Production. From there, Printify works with the production partner to make sure your items made, packaged, and shipped to your consumer. And if you already use Printify, then you know they also update the tracking number on Etsy. So everything's done for you from that point on. The whole process after this initial setup is extremely easy. It takes less than 2 minutes to do everything, which is very important, especially if you start getting back-to-back orders. You don't want to sit there behind a computer for hours. 2 minutes each order, that's perfect. And even if you had to go up to 5 minutes, that's still saving you time from manually doing this process each time you receive an order. Now, earlier I talked about bundling multiple products. For instance, you could add socks or different styles or even a his and her collection. It's completely up to you. Bundles help you increase your revenue and sell more. However, many people don't fully understand how to add them or how to automate that process as well. So I created a tutorial and dropped it in my school community, which is completely free to join. And that video walks you through the entire process of creating a bundle and automating it, as well as connecting it to Printify. This not only will save you time, but it will increase your revenue. And I plan to add more videos and tips like this in that community each and every week. So make sure you check it out. Within 14 days, we've already grown to over 400 people in there, and everyone is truly amazing and eager to support one another. So make sure you get in there now, especially before I drop my free course, which I plan to start releasing in sections beginning this January. The link is in the description. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.